above the 20 degrees Celsius any place of the India. In summer, the sun rays fall vertically on the earth surface. So here summer temperature is very hot, especially May. It is the hottest month in India. Which is the hottest month in India? May is the hottest month of India. The temperature is above 20 degrees Celsius on the any part of the India. In summer seasons, the lastly most intense is the free monsoon season. The free monsoon seasons are coming to India. It is very helpful to quickly ripen the mangoes and different crops to grow quickly by the free monsoons in India. In winter season, the winter season in India have a moderate temperature below 20 degrees Celsius. In this time, the sun rays are slantly fall on the earth surface of the India. So, in the winter is below the temperature 20 degrees Celsius. In the winter, coldest month, January. In India, hottest months and coldest months. Which is the hottest month? May is the hottest month. Which is the coldest month? January is the coldest month in India. Now going to monsoons. That means southwest monsoons and returning monsoons. Monsoon. Monsoon word derived from into the Arabic language Mausam. Mausam means seasonally blowing winds. Mausam means seasonally blowing winds. In India, two types of monsoons are mostly influenced the climate. Southwest monsoons and returning monsoons. And the southwest monsoons comes in India second week of the June. It will be touched Malabar coast in Kerala. After it will be gradually spread Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Odisha, and the remaining state will be spread. It will be given to the abundant rainfall for India. Children, tell me, which monsoon give lot of rain in India? That is southwest monsoon. Nearly 80% above rain give for in India southwest monsoons. There are two types of branches of the southwest monsoons: Arabian monsoon and Bay of Bengal winds. Arabian winds and Bay of Bengal winds. The both are have to come in to blow in India. Started onset monsoon season. That means southwest monsoons in India. When Coming to the southwest monsoons in India, our farmers started a Kharif season. The main crop of the Kharif season is paddy. Paddy is cultivated lot of in India by the southwest monsoon season. October heat. What do you mean by October heat? Owing the conditions of high temperature and humidity, the weather becomes rather oppressive. It is called October heat. Once again, what do you mean by October heat? The October heat means owing the temperature of high and humidity, the weather becomes rather oppressive. It is called a October heat. After October heat, in India to touch the returning monsoons. It is also known as northeast monsoons. Northeast monsoons touched in India Coromandel coast, that means Tamil Nadu coast in November first week. So abundant rainfall is given in India in Tamil Nadu coast by returning monsoons. So there are two types of monsoons are mostly influenced the Indian climate. What are they? Southwest monsoons and returning monsoons. The two monsoons are gamble of the Indian agriculture. When I have to come into the monsoons in India, our farmers will be started Kharif season. Water is available on the surface, so the farmers will be started the numerous crops on the fields. Next, global warming. What do you mean by global warming? Dangerous gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, chlorofluorocarbons, methane. These gases are to include the atmosphere. The atmosphere will be collapsed by the dreadful gases. It is called a greenhouse effect. Tell me, children, what about greenhouse effects? Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, fluorocarbons, and methane mixed the atmosphere. The atmosphere increase the temperature. It is called a greenhouse effects. It is also known as global warming. In daily life, so many vehicles to use going to one place to far places like motor vehicles, tractors, lorries, buses, etc. It will be emit the carbon monoxide. The carbon monoxide is a very dangerous gas to it is a very dangerous gases to collapse the atmosphere. So children, shortly distance you are going one place to another place by walk, bicycle, running. It is mostly better to control the global warming. In global warming, mostly affected by the human activities. Our daily life to use in our surrounding areas, in our houses, refrigerators, air conditioners. These are to emit the carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide may be reduced, the carbon dioxide may be increased, automatically you all are facing a lot of problem. It will be collapse the atmosphere, automatically the temperature may be increased on the earth surface. Our scientists to find every yearly to increase the temperature on the earth surface nearly 2 degrees Celsius. So it is very dangerous for human beings. If you are increasing in the temperature of the air, the ice caps may be melting into the water. That water will be drained into the oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, etc. The entire earth will be filled up by the water. So human beings, animals will be dying. So dear children, if you are finding into the any place, that means barren land areas, wasteland areas, to grow the different type of in the plants. Plants will be taken carbon dioxide, it will be released oxygen. Oxygen is recorded as breath of the life. So we all are encouraged with the afforestation to avoid the deforestation. Man-made global warming is also known as anthropogenic global warming. The anthropogenic global warming to increase the worldwide. So many countries are facing a lot of problems. So the worldwide, so many countries are to participate in the IPCC meetings. What do you mean by IPCC? Intergovernmental Panel on Climatic Change. Tell me, what is meant by IPCC? Intergovernmental Panel on Climatic Change. That meetings are held in Warsaw, the capital city of Poland, in 2013. The so many advanced countries to sign them, they are not reached the dreadful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, chlorofluorocarbons to the atmosphere. So that meetings after so many countries to stop the activities of global gases. The lastly, we all discussed impact of the climatic change in India. Impact means change in our daily life. The climate is mostly influenced with in India. Day by day, in India is also the atmosphere may be increased. Why? because it will be caused by the man-made disasters. The man will be used different dreadful gases to the atmosphere. Our temperature may be increased. So India faces so many problems. Recently, all cyclones they hit in Sundarban Plains. Where is Sundarban Plains? It is in Kolkata. It is located in West Bengal. So many people are to die, and so many people are lost there in this livelihood, lost there in this property. Why? Because the climate may be unfavorable for us. So, the Aliva cyclones hit in Kolkata in 2009. So many people are faced a lot of problems. Lastly, I am saying, children, in our daily life, if you are going to one place to another place, that means very short distance. If you are move on foot, if you are move riding a bicycle, it is better to control the global warming. Global warming may be increased, that means greenhouse effects. It will increase, our human beings are faced a lot of problems. It will be mostly affected the climate. Once again, what we discussed the lesson climate and weather. What remember climate? The average conditions of temperature, humidity, rainfall, barometric pressure, togetherness is called a climate. The climate is very different one place to another place. It is very different South India and North India. As climographs, graphs are represented to climate. That graphs are called climographs. The climographs are represented monthly values of the temperature maximum and minimum. Factors of influence in the climate. There are the four important factors are mostly influenced with the climate of India: latitude, land and water relation, relief, and upper air circulation. Tell me, children, what remember jet streams? The winds are blowing in upper air circulation. In India, it is also known as a jet streams. The speed of the jet streams in summer season 110 km per hour. In the winter season 184 km per hour. Next one, seasons. There are four climatic seasons in India: hot weather season, cold weather season, southwest monsoon season, and returning monsoon season. Seasons are formed due to the revolution of the earth. Monsoons. There are two types of monsoons are mostly influenced with the Indian climate: southwest monsoons and returning monsoons. Southwest monsoons are to touch in India in the Malabar coast in Kerala. After it will be gradually after spreading into the remaining states. In Andhra Pradesh especially, the southwest monsoons are mostly abundant rainfall to in our state. Global warming. Global warming means greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, chlorofluorocarbons are mixed into the atmosphere. The atmosphere day by day to increase the temperature. It is called a global warming. The global warming mostly formed by the human activities, like humans are using refrigerators, ACs, different type of motor vehicles, atmosphere due to cause of the global warming. IPCC meetings, Interpanel Government Climate Change. Meetings are conducted in 2013 Warsaw in Poland. Next, impact of the changes of the climate. Climate will be mostly have to infect the India. The summer season especially temperature may be very hot. In winter season temperature may be very cool. Recently in 2009 Oliver cyclones are hitting in Sundarbans. Human beings are facing a lot of problems in West Bengal. Thank you. Watch my videos. Thank you very much.